SBA financing for franchise startups. We're going to dive into this and more on today's episode. So when you're exploring franchise systems, one of the things you want to look at is how many units does the franchise have. If it's a new franchise and they have 2, 3, 4, 5 franchise units, it's probably not had much SBA financing, right? Because there's a limited amount of units versus a very established brand that's got hundreds of units. It's been financed with SBA financing numerous, hundreds of times, right? So can you finance a brand that is an emerging brand with a very few unit count? The answer is yes, but not all the time. Sometimes it's a little bit more challenging. I believe you can usually get financing from the majority of franchise, even if they have very few franchise units out there on in the marketplace. But you will have challenges. Many banks, credit unions, and non-bank SBA lenders, they're still using the franchise SBA directory. They were supposed to get rid of the directory, but everybody is still referencing the directory. Now people are using Fran data as part of their diligence process. I'm talking about the banks for franchises, but everybody's still referencing the directory. I do have banks that I work with when it's a franchise startup and there's very few units, so it's not been financed that many times, obviously. They'll go in and they'll look over the FDD, and most of the time I can get those approved with this particular bank. Now they'll cap it sometimes. These are usually home service type franchise models. They'll usually cap the loan amount. So you will have challenges if the franchise does not have many units. Sometimes I can't get approval based upon the fact that there's no established track record of the franchisor, and the ZOR doesn't have experience in franchising, right? They're new to franchising. So you will run into issues like that on some brands, but all in all, majority of franchises can be financed, assuming they don't have any ineligible items in their franchise disclosure documents that would make it not SBA eligible for whatever reason. Maybe there's some sort of management agreement. But if you're having trouble or you're just starting your search and you're looking for SBA financing, let myself and my team be a resource for you. We can help navigate you and get you quick answers and quick feedback. If there's a bank out there, what terms might be probable for your unique situation. And most of the franchise models that we're seeing in the home service space, they're relatively inexpensive. You have a total project cost of $100,000 to $200,000. We have banks that really focus on the smaller deals, and they can get extremely aggressive. SBA is really pushing the banks, credit unions to do some of the smaller deals. Obviously, banks like to do bigger deals. Nobody wants to do smaller deals, but so many people in the $100,000 to $200,000 total project cost for franchises are looking for financing. We have options. We make it easy. All you have to do is go to bookwithbo.com, set up a discovery call, and we'll walk you through the process. Usually from the initial call, we can give you feedback on which bank will be most probable that we would submit the loan to and why. But anyway, everybody's got a unique circumstance, different franchise concepts out there. We try to make it as extremely efficient as possible. So you can go to bookwithbo.com and look forward to seeing you on a discovery call. Hope you're enjoying these short episodes where we're talking financing, business models, SBA, franchises, business acquisition, and much more. See you on the next episode. If you're looking to acquire a business, stop scrolling on Biz Buy Sell and visit franchiseresellelistings.com. We'll do a customized search. You can get on our weekly distribution where we're sending new inventory weekly to your inbox. So visit franchiseresellelistings.com and opt in today. See you there. Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.